Hey everybody, this is Riff. How you doing out there? I hope everybody's doing great, and I hope you're having a great holiday season so far. Sorry it's been a while for videos, but as most of you know, I've been really busy with various medical appointments, so on and so forth, and you know how life just gets in the way. But I wanted to do a quick update, and I'm pretty much at the exact same spot that I was at the last time I made a video. I haven't really got to work on it since then. I just kind of do little bits and pieces of it when I'm able to. And now I'm up to the part where it's time to start putting in, testing the electronics and stuff. And I'm a little confused over, I've never done Tamiyas before. And they have all this stuff about all these little um, different spacers or whatever they are and stuff, and I'm just not familiar with any of that, and that stuff's kind of puzzling me. And I'm doing the four-wheel option, and I'm still kind of confused about that too. I'm not sure if it's using one servo with links to turn both ends, or if it's two separate servos, so on one on each end, or but yeah, the Tamiya instructions are very, very kind of confusing to me compared to what I'm used to. I had built a G-Made in the past, and it was night and day. The G-Made instructions were so much more clear and easy to understand, and a lot more. Every single bag, even all the bags within a bag, were marked, and it was just much, much easier, better organized, and all of that. These I find are the instructions are okay, but there's a lot of stuff that's kind of vague, and I find my way through it, and eventually figure it out. But there was a lot of bags within bags that weren't even marked, and that stuff was just so difficult, because I'd have to go digging through stuff to try to figure out what was going on. But mostly I got it figured out, but this is where I'm at, and I'm still trying to figure out what's going on here. I know a lot of you guys have a lot more experience with this stuff than I do, so if anybody wants to throw down in the comments, that have built these Kongs and done the four-wheel steering and all that, or these Kongheads, I'd really appreciate any help you can give me with that. That would really probably help things along. But mostly it's went together really well, other than those few little things I kind of got stuck on. But mostly it's gone pretty well, and I'm looking forward to getting it done eventually. And the other big thing I wanted to catch you guys up on today was the stickers for the sticker wall. I just got some new ones. Please excuse the mess. As you can see, I'm in the middle of all of this. But I wanted to give a shout out to Dirk from RC Birds, Adam from over there at Adam's Playground, and of course Steve over at Shen. Please go check out their channels. They're good guys, and I really appreciate them sending along their stickers to the channel here to get up on the sticker wall. And if any of you out there are interested in swapping stickers and getting up on the wall here, I'd love to hear from you. My email information is in the video description information, and you can contact me anytime. I just love this community, and I love promoting all of my friends, and I really love getting your stickers, and I just think it's really, really cool. And I love going on your guys' walls too. Back in the 60s and 70s, when CB radio was still a thing, my dad was into that, like had a home base and everything. And my uncle was also into ham. And one of the things that radio enthusiasts do is they have channel cards with their, with their names of their frequency and names, and they swap they would, when they contacted new friends in other states and other countries, they would send their cards to each other, just like we do with the stickers. So I thought that was really cool, and that's what we do now reminds me of what they did then. It's very cool, and it's fun to share in our community. So thank you to everybody that has sent me stickers, and I really appreciate it. It's a lot of fun. And anybody wants mine, just hit me up and I'll be glad to send you some. As long as I have some, around here. So that's pretty much the update for now. Still trying to figure out this steering stuff and electronic stuff. I'm going to be using a GT5 transmitter and GT5 receiver with this setup. So I don't know how that's going to change anything, but I know that the GT5 will be it's capable of doing the the rear steer mix and stuff, but I've never done it before. So if anybody has experience with doing that with the Konghead and a GT5, I'd really appreciate some info on that too, if anybody's done it before. And so that's where I'm at, and I want to thank you guys all, for tuning in, and thank you guys for all the support. It really means a lot to me, and I just love you guys, and thanks a million. So I hope you all have a fantastic holiday, and I hope to get some stuff up soon. So take care, everybody. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned. There's always more to come. Riff out.